Hi, thanks for joining us. When you hear the name Paris Hilton or Nicole Richie, quick, what comes to mind? Pampered, celebrity-tante, criminal. But hey, don't say that in front of attorney Sean Chapman-Holly. She may just take you to court. Paris Hilton and Nicole Richie and the lawyer who loves them. Welcome, Sean Chapman-Holly. So Sean, do you love these girls or what?
Hello, Kevin. My assistant will tell you I love all of my clients.
Oh, yeah.
I love Paris, I love Nicole, I love all of them, if that's what you're asking.
But now listen, though, you are representing these girls. I mean, the world is fixated on their every move. How did you end up being the attorney representing? Let's start with Paris. How did that come about?
Well, I'm at an entertainment litigation firm in Santa Monica, and we do Paris Hilton's entertainment litigation. And because I have a background in criminal law as well, when she got a DUI, I was the likely person to step in and represent her.
But it wasn't just a DUI. I mean, from what I remember, she also had the driving with a suspended license, and there was this issue of whether or not she should have to serve any jail time. So you were really, it was much more involved than just a simple straight DUI case.
Well,
right?
As a matter of fact, the charge was reduced. It wasn't a DUI at all. It was an alcohol-related reckless driving. The troubles came because the court found that she violated her probation, which actually was not the case.
Oh, come on.
I could go on and on about why she got a raw deal. She really, really did.
She got a raw deal.
She did get a raw deal.
Well, then how do you contrast that with, let's say, Nicole? Because same set of circumstances. Now, was it because of your relationship with Paris that ultimately led you to get Nicole as a client as well?
No, my partner, Howard Weitzman, had a relationship with Nicole's father, Lionel Richie, and so I think that's how that came to be. But Nicole also, she got a better deal.
Right.
The reason she got a better deal is because she had, in my opinion, a judge and a prosecutor who was fair to her.
Or did you just get the kinks out with Paris and then you said, okay, now we're going to do it the right way with
No.
Because ultimately Paris actually served 23 days, right?
Which was outrageous, because the fact of the matter is everyone in this county with a suspended license, driving on a suspended license, gets 5 days in custody. She got 9 times the sentence that everybody else gets for the exact same offense.
So
that's why I say
this
she got a raw
you're
deal.
talking about LA County,
in LA County.
Now, how is it that Nicole ends up doing all of 82 minutes?
Well, again, Nicole was treated just like everybody else in this county. Anybody who's got a nonviolent offense with a sentence of 30 days or less is basically just processed and released. And she was processed and released just like everybody else. That's all we wanted. That's all she wanted. She wanted to be treated like everyone. She could have gone to a private jail. She could have pled no contest. She pled guilty. She did that herself.
Would you have recommended
that
to go to a private jail and to kind of get out of the public eye, or were you feeling like, you know what, we may have learned some things with Paris, let's go a different route with this?
No, you know, she wanted to accept responsibility, and she wanted to do so publicly. She has matured a great deal in the past couple of years that she's been in the spotlight. She's a mother now, and she wanted to take responsibility, and she wanted to do so in a way just like everybody else, and she did that.
When's your next court appearance for Paris? Because you know it's just coming down the pike. I mean, between Paris and all the activity, do you see yourself ultimately having to go back to court to represent them in any type of criminal case?
No, I really don't.
Really?
I really don't.
What do you think is in Paris's future?
You know,
what does she have going on right
Paris is an entrepreneur. She's done well. She's going to continue to do well. And Nicole is making a family life. She's calmed down. She's very, very mature and responsible.
She was a little out there first, wouldn't you say?
I think she would say that herself. But she's had tremendous growth, and I think that she's going to be a fine young woman and mother.
Well, here we are again with Sean Chapman-Holly. Thank you so much for joining us here at Sidebar. We'll see you next time. Take care.